So you know how it's been basically about a month now since we've been waiting for this update. Like the update already came through, but we've been waiting a very long time to finally get that's right, all 5 of these chances here, guys. Anyways, hello guys, it's me Christian again. And what we have here by so far are the Brawl Boxes back. And what it clearly says here, no, but the Starr Drops, on the other hand, have arrived. And I'm pretty sure many of the Brawl Stars players already recognize what this is, but yeah. Basically, sadly, no Brawl Boxes came back. Wish that most of us wish that could have had happened. But we definitely have something way better than that, and we're gonna see that right now, guys. But before we get started on that, if any of you guys have not subscribed on my channel yet, maybe consider doing so, guys. And let's see the items. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Super rare. Wow. Let's see what we got. Nice. And one an additional player icon from that too. Epic. And next up, you guessed it, Mythic. And finally, what comes after that? After the spray, of course. Legendary! Now let's see what we get! Yay, Spike! Wow, that indeed is awesome! So we got lots of stuff from that basically here, guys. And yes, I did it one selection at a time. I went from rare to super rare to epic to mythic to legendary, right? And those are the things that we were talking about. Those are what we call the Starr Drops, guys. And today's finally the day we got something legendary, and it's a legendary brawler. I should maybe capture that, though. I probably will at some point. Don't worry, guys. I have it caught on recording, so it's finally great at last, guys. And I finally got the chance to show you guys what has changed since the Brawl Boxes disappeared, and now they replace Brawl Boxes with Starr Drops instead, guys. So, best, what do you say to that? Best, part of the Starr Drops yet? Or what, guys? Anyways, this will probably conclude today's video anyways. I'm gonna try out, Spike the new Brawl, well, not new Brawler. I'm gonna try out the legendary Spike soon. I'm gonna probably post a video about that. And when I probably make that video too, guys, I'm gonna have an additional surprise for you, guys. That also something that I got out of just using gems here, guys. A little hint, something that was related to sports. So, anyways, this is it now, and yeah, Christian signing off. Bye bye, guys, and so yeah.